let's get this crack welded up. I got it braced so that it's level. Just need to grind some of the paint away, get it ready for welding. And I got some going down this way. It looks like I'll need to weld this. Flip it upside down so I can get to that. I might have to just weld it from the inside. Brace it up good with some metal there. Alright, well, let's get the welder. Well, the outside is welded up. Let's flip it over and get it on the inside too. Alright, got her welded up. Not the prettiest looking welds, but it'll work. Got all the old grass scraped off of it. I'll get the blade sharpened, flip it over, spray some primer on the other side. I think I've got some white paint, might touch it up with. And I need to take the cover off and check the belt. So we're getting there. Well, I didn't have the same color white. It's a little bit brighter, but it's better than nothing. And once you get using it, get dirt and grass all over it. It'll blend in. Alright, let's get that cover off and check the belt. Alright, got the screws or bolts all loose. Let's take her off and see what we got. All needs to be cleaned out. But other than that, belt doesn't look to be too old. There, grasshopper. Alright. Let me get all this stuff cleaned off. And there's no grease fitting on this. This is just a spring, I believe, that holds it. Yep. Might lube that up, shoot some grease in those, and I would say this would be good. Can't hurt to give that a little shot. Good. Those all took it. Perfect. Oops. Need to find 2 more washers. All right. This is ready to get washed. And then we'll see if we can get it put on the mower and fire it up and see what it's going to do. Well, that looks a little better. The deck has definitely been painted once before. Got some the old paint peeling off. But it's good and solid. Let's get it on the mower. That did pretty good. Not too bad at all. A little more adjustments and it'll be perfect almost. Oh, she lives to mow again. One thing I noticed that might have to do a little more adjustments on the lever for the axle, because you put it up to about right there, it takes off slow, then without moving it, it'll slowly start speeding up on its own. So I'm going to have to read up on how to adjust it, because when I had the axle off and I put it back together, I think I got it adjusted right, but I don't think I do, so I'll have to do a little more adjustment to it. But otherwise, still got to get the grill thingy there. Otherwise, you should running good. All right. The old Cub Cadet 1250 hydrostatic lives again to mow. Perfect. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.